when you're making the perfect gift. Long waits and bad quality won't help. It's a waste of time. AnkerMake M5 prints fast and smooth. It's 5 times faster with PowerBoost, and every print feels smooth. It's so fast and so good for any big day. AnkerMake, make it real. Overtime with a last-second request doesn't need long waits, babysitting, or undetected errors. That's just not smart. AnkerMake M5 prints fast and smart. It's 5 times faster with PowerBoost, and you can monitor prints remotely. It's so fast and so good for any demanding projects. AnkerMake, make it real. When you're doing homework with a 3D printer, you don't need difficult assembly, leveling issues, or speed slower than a snail. AnkerMake M5 prints fast and easy. M5 is simple to set up and auto-level. Plus, you print 5 times faster with PowerBoost. It's so fast and so good for any dream project. AnkerMake, make it real.